What is up, beautiful babes? Sweet Angel back again. Day 9 of our 30 Days of Natural Remedies from the Past challenge. I mean, these are things that on my previous channel I had already whipped up for you, and little baby Royal and I are going to try this again. Yes, we're going to try it again. Now, today's beauty secret might already be sitting right in your kitchen, and that's baking soda. It's been used for generations as a simple, affordable way to cleanse, exfoliate, and brighten your skin. And guess what? These tricks still work today. Y'all may recall the famous baking soda and coconut oil I whipped up a while ago. But let me tell you, there's more to baking soda than just that. Let's start with a gentle exfoliating scrub. Just mix a little baking soda with water or honey to create a paste. Water. Massage it gently in circular motions on damp skin to remove dead skin cells and reveal that fresh, glowing complexion. It's also amazing for clarifying your scalp. Just add a teaspoon to your shampoo once a week to remove buildup and restore shine. And here's a fun one. If your underarms need a little refresh, baking soda can help neutralize odor naturally. Just pat a tiny bit on clean skin and let the freshness do its thing. Now remember, baking soda is strong, so a little goes a long way. Always mix it with water, oil, or honey before applying, and don't overuse it. This is one of those old school remedies that truly stands the test of time. Simple, effective, and straight from nature's pantry. So next time you reach for your beauty products, don't forget the power of the basics. Baking soda is proof that sometimes the best skincare is the simplest. I'll drop my favorite baking soda link below so you can grab some for yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back tomorrow for day 10. We're keeping these timeless beauty secrets flowing. Stay beautiful, stay sweet, and keep shining the natural way.